Looking good. Okay, so now that we're all set up, I'm going to walk you through a little bit of how to use the Cloud9 IDE and cover some of the core fundamentals of what functionality it has. So really quickly, a little bit of terminology. I'm just going to take a screenshot here of the page and outline a few pieces. So this is our browser right here. This is what we see. And inside the browser, we have partitioned off three different segments, really. Right here at the bottom, this little box, which is the terminal. And we're going to call that terminal. You can find this on your Mac as well. On the left over here, we have our file tree, our file and folder tree. And this is where we can see all of the working files and folders in our project. And then the last thing we have here is our text editor. And the text editor actually is the most generic of the three. And that did not do what I wanted to do, but you get the picture. There we go. This is our text editor. And any file we open up will go here, and we can make the necessary adjustments, and that will take up most of our time. We'll be using that guy primarily. And then the terminal to move around in our file tree. So that's some basic terminology, and with that out of the way, I'm going to get into how we start putting together a project. So the first thing I'm going to do is a little bit of house cleaning. I'm going to X out of this README, and in fact, I'm going to click on the client folder here, and then I'm going to hold down the Shift button and click on the server file at the bottom, and that should select all the files and all the folders. Then I'm going to right click, or on a Mac, you can click Control and click, and I'm going to delete the whole thing. It's going to say you're about to remove the folder client. Do you want to continue? I'm going to say yes to all. And that will clear my entire workspace. Perfect. Now we're ready to go, start creating files, start editing stuff. Perfect. Just to celebrate a little bit, I'm going to come up here and click on the View tab in the navigation bar. And I'm going to change my theme to something I like a little bit better, pastel on dark, which will change to be a dark theme. And I'm going to select yes, and boom. Now we are ready to go, and I will see you in the next video.